Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you easy and quick way how to insert watermark in Excel. So you can insert image as a watermark or you can insert text as a watermark in Excel. So let's start with the video. Before you're going to start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. So here we are, this is my Excel sheet and I'm going to show you to add how we can add the watermarks. So first I'm going to show you the uh, how to add the image as a watermark. So base the image format should be in PNG. You can use the JPG also, but based result you can use the PNG format. Okay, so if you have a JPG, you can convert in from JPG to PNG online. Okay, just search on Google. So in order to insert the watermark in Excel or Excel sheet, just click on this view option, and in view option you have to click on page layout. After you click the page layout, page will be seen like this. Okay, so now you have to click here like header, and here you can see I already uh, insert the picture. I just remove it and you have to click here, and now go to the design. Okay, click on the design and click here and go to the design and find the picture option. Click on this picture, add picture as a header footer, and now you can see that this option you can insert a picture in picture with by many source. So I'm going to use from my computer file. I just browse the file. So here I got the images like in JPG or PNG. So I just click on Amazon. You can see here you can see only the piece of text only appear, not image seen. But when you click anywhere into the sheet, the image will be seen, but it is very bigger and it is very dark. So if you want to change it as a transparent, or convert it as a watermark, just click again here her header. In now you have to go into format cell, and here you can change the picture size, in size, rotation, in heights, like in inches, or you can change the heights and width with the percentage also. So just I'm going to change in percentage like 30. Okay, so when click on it will change here. Just click OK. The picture has been now changed. Just click anywhere in the sheet, the picture now will change, and it is look like dark, so it is, so it should be like transparent. So just click again, go to design and go to the picture format, and that time you have to go to this picture option and click impact control. Under the impact control, find the colors, and here you can see the automatic is as a default. Just click on this down arrow and select the washout and click OK. So you can and click anywhere in the Excel, so you can see the logo has been now look as a watermark, and it is like transparent watermark. So there is another step you have to take, because the logo is not, it is a look like header, so it should be like, we have to take its middle of the sheet, or or some have to shift in the down. So just click again, and you have to click front of the text and just give this click enter and down it as per your requirement, and just enter click anywhere, so it will be down like this. If you want to need, if you looking for down again, just click like this and it will be down as per your requirement. Okay, and it's look like that. So that is how you can insert the watermark in Excel. So now I'm going to how you can insert that as a text, insert the text as a watermark. Okay, so let's go ahead. So before that, I want to show you how you can delete this watermark, image watermark. So just click on header and just select Control A, select all by this, and just delete from you clicking the keyboard delete button, and you can click anywhere in this Excel sheet. Then you can see the watermark has been deleted now. So now we are moving to the how to insert text as a draft. So just click again in the header, the same procedure you have to follow, and now you have to click on header and write whatever you want. So in my case, I'm writing the draft as a watermark. So I just type draft. Okay, now I have to select this, and you can change here from, you know, size. You can change size, you can change font name. In my case, I look Arial. And you can change the, you know, font color like this. So it's like look like this. Okay, and now you have to just click on this, go to front, and just click what this click give the space and take it down, and you can see it is take down. If you want to change the size, and again you just click on header and select this, the option will become, and here you can change the size, you know, upper size, whatever you want. So that is how you can insert the watermark in Excel as a you can insert the watermark like image or text in Excel. So I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you for